students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is, already we discussed about the information of the positions of vectors, their common tangents. By using that information we can solving long answer type questions like this. Show that the given circles touch to each other. Find the point of contact and equation of common tangent at their point of contact. Okay, let given circles are s equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equals 0, and also s dash equals x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0 are our circles. Now first of all we can finding the centers and radiuses. Okay, let center S1 is a center minus g comma minus f, yes or no? Okay, half of x quotient with opposite sign, that is a 3, and the same y quotient is a minus 2, so half of y quotient is a 1 and with opposite sign is a 1. Okay, and radius g square plus f square minus c, 9 plus 1 minus c is a 1, and that equals to root 9 is nothing but 3. And second center of second equation, second circle is a minus 1 comma 4. Okay, now R2 equals to under root g square plus f square minus c equals to root 4 is a 2. Now for positions of circles we can finding the distance between the centers. C1, C2 is the distance between two centers, is under root by using our formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in there. Minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square equals to under root minus 4 whole square 3 whole square. Then now it is a 16, now it is a 9, then that equals to 25 is nothing but 5. Okay, 25 is nothing but 5. Now what about R1 plus R2? First of all we can taking R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5. There. Now observe C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Yes or no? C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Now definitely circles are touched to each other externally. Okay, this is C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Circles are touched to each other. Touch to each other externally. Yes, circles are touched to each other externally when C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. If equals to C1 C2 equals to sum of R1 plus R2, sum of R1 and R2, now circles are touched to each other externally. If the C1 C2 equals to R1 minus R2, modulus of R1 minus R2, then circles are touched to each other internally. Now but here externally. Okay, C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Circles are, the position of circles is, circles are touched to each other externally. Okay, touched to each other externally. Then these are have three common tangents actually. 2 direct common tangents and 1 transverse common tangent like this. But here we need only one common tangent because of they are asked only one equation of common tangent. That means just we need only one common tangent, that is nothing but transverse. Okay, the transverse common tangent like this. Okay, the point of contact is P. It is divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. If circles are touched to each other externally, now the point divides internally. If the circles are touched to internally, the point divides externally. Okay, remember it. Okay, circles are touched to each other externally, then the point is nothing but point of contact. The point of contact P, point of contact P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. What's that? Internally. Okay, that we have to find the point of contact P. Then R1 is to R2 equals to what? 3 is to 2. These are nothing but M comma N. These are x1, y1, x2, y2. Then coordinates of P equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, then substitute the values. 3 into x2 minus 1 plus n into 2 into x1 is a 3 by 3 plus 2. Similarly, y 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 2. Okay, then that equals to minus 3 plus 6 by 5, and here 12 plus 2 by 5, that equals to 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This is the point of contact. Okay, now it is a point of contact. Then we need tangent, common tangent, only one common tangent, that is nothing but this one, transverse. Now the equation of common tangent for single tangent, common tangents, just we have one equation s minus s dash equals 0, simple, for only one common tangent, that is nothing but s minus s dash equals to 0. Okay, for single common tangents we can using this formula, s minus s dash equals to 0. Okay, that s equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 minus half x square plus y square plus 2x and minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. Then x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 minus of minus x square minus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 13 equals to 0. Okay, then x square y square get cancelled, and minus 6x minus 2x is a minus 8x, minus 2y plus 8y is nothing but plus 6y, 1 minus 13 is a minus 12 equals to 0. Now observe here, all are 2 multiples. We can dividing by minus 2, then we will get 4x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. Dividing by minus 2. Here minus, so that's why here plus, plus, minus, minus, plus. 4, 3 and 6 equals 0. Okay, this is a single common tangent of given circles. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.